Little production today is smart trash cans. Step 1. Prepare all accessories and wood materials, and carefully check the number on the materials when assembling the wood materials. The board has a number side as the front and no number as the back. Prepare a small Phillips screwdriver, scissors, 3AA batteries, number 5. Step 2. Plug the 20 cm 3P DuPont cable into the infrared detection sensor module. The A interface is empty. And then insert the 3P DuPont cable into 2 on the control board on pin A1. Note: please check the port order before inserting. The wrong wire order may burn the control board. Step 3. Insert the servo wire terminal into 0 on the control board PWM pin. Note: the steering gear line port connection order: orange connected to S, red connected to B, brown connected to G. Step 4. After filling the battery compartment with 3AA batteries, close the lid of the battery compartment, then plug the terminal wires of the battery box into the power connector of the control board. Flip the battery compartment switch to the on direction. Note: OFF means off, on means on. Step 5. When the infrared detection sensor module is energized, adjust the potentiometer of the infrared detection sensor module with a small screwdriver. The sensing distance becomes shorter when screwed to the right, and the sensing distance becomes longer when screwed to the left. Step 6. After debugging the detection distance of the infrared detection sensor module, put the hand at 20 mm of the infrared detection sensor module, and the servo will rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Step 7. Wait 5 seconds to turn off the power, so that the servo initializes to 0 degrees when there is no sensor object in front of the infrared detection sensor module. Step 8. Install the servo arm on the servo with the servo arm mounted in the opposite direction of the servo wire. Incorrect orientation will cause the smart trash can to not open and close properly. Fixed with 5 mm rough grain screws. When installing the servo arm, do not move the position of the servo arm. Step 9. First, remove the infrared detection sensor module from the control board. The servo is then mounted on the front of board 2. Pay attention to the mounting orientation and fix it with 7 mm rough screws. Step 10. Install the control board on the front of board 2. And secure it with 4 mm coarse screws. Step 11. Install board 5 on board 2. Step 12. Install the 7 plate on the reverse side of the 3 plate. The number 7 faces the direction of the round hole, and fix it with 7 mm rough screws. Then install another 7 plate on the reverse side of the 6 board with the number 7 facing the arcade, and fix it with 7mm rough grain screws. Step 13. Install plate 3 on board 2. Fix it with 7mm rough screws. And put a 30mm diameter band on board 7. Step 14. First, install plate 6 into the round hole of plate 3 and 4 and embed the band into another plate 7. Finally, the 4 plate is fixed to the 2 plate with 7mm rough grain screws. Step 15. First, the infrared detection sensor module is installed on the backside of the 1 board and fixed with 4mm coarse screws. Then the 3P DuPont line is passed through the round hole of plate 2. And finally plate 1 is installed on board 3, 4, 5. Secure with 7mm rough grain screws. Step 16. First, insert the infrared detection sensor module into 2 on the control board on pin A1. Then fix the battery box on board 2. With double-sided tape, cone the wire and tie the cable tie. And then cut off the excess cable tie with scissors. Note, please be careful when using scissors, take safety precautions, and children must use scissors when accompanied by adults. Finally, turn on the power switch. Put your hand in the infrared detection sensor area, and the smart trash can will automatically open. The handle will close automatically after a delay of 3 to 5 seconds.